description. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up trend alerts with VidIQ. Ensure you have the VidIQ Chrome extension installed on your browser. You can find it in the Chrome Web Store or by visiting the link in the description. Once the VidIQ extension is installed, log in into your YouTube channel and access the YouTube Creator Studio, where you can manage your channel and content. Inside the Creator Studio, look for the VidIQ icon or section. Click on it and select the Trend Alerts option from the menu. This might be located in different places based on VidIQ updates on your account type. In the Trend Alerts section, look for an option to create a new alert. This might be labeled as New Alert, Create Alert, Add Alert, or something similar. Enter the keywords relevant to the trends you want to monitor. This could be related to your content niche, industry terms, or even specific product names. Review the settings of your trend alert to ensure they match your preferences and make any necessary adjustments. After that, save your settings to activate the trend alerts. You will now start receiving email notifications based on the criteria you've set. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.